With this style, this is another split level style, but it's a little different than the secret staircase one. There's pros and cons to each. Usually in this one, the lower level unit sets up a little better, but you don't end up with private separate back entrances. So with this, in the other style, you have 2 staircases in the front. So again, you come in, you can go down, you can go up. On this one, it's just in the door and up. So you don't really have any splitting you have to do in the front. It's already there. What you instead have to do, and just for reference, before I get over to the rest, is 2 bed, 1 bath. That's kind of the standard with these. That's the most common one I see. When we come over to the kitchen, and please excuse the crazy amount of white that we have going on here right now, but with this, there is a staircase right here. So with this, you would end up putting a door across here and walling off the rest. So that would kind of close off this section. If you want to have access to the backyard for the upper unit, you'd have to figure out some more door setups down here. But if you just want simplicity, door, wall, split off, you don't have to worry too much about that. But come and follow me down here. So as you can see with this one, that is the back door where you would come down into the lower level here. As I was mentioning, if you wanted to put another door so that the back entrance is able to be shared for backyard access, whatever you might want, you have plenty of space here that you could add another door to split that off so that this is just common area for both to use, and this could lock, the upstairs could lock, etc. But as the way this is set up, we have a bathroom, 3 bedrooms, one of those would become a living room, depending which one you ever want to choose. But then kitchen is what we would lay out in here. In the other secret staircase unit, there would be a door in the corner, and that's where you put your staircase, or your staircase is. And here we could actually do a kitchen. It might not look like it from the way it is, but you actually have plenty of space in here to put a kitchen with laundry. You have plenty of headspace. Like, this is actually a really simple conversion because you have access to plumbing, electrical, everything is exposed in here. So you have a decent sized kitchen right below the other one. So you don't really have like a bedroom above a kitchen or anything else like that. Like, the sound is kind of separated and it gives you some flexibility.